Hello everyone, it's Joey at Fab-Form Industries. We're walking around a project that's using our Zont bracing system. The system is named after this bracket, the Zont bracket. And it's named this because this system is the only horizontal ICF bracing system available. So when ICFs were created 30 years ago, you couldn't brace them horizontally because they would settle vertically. To address this, they created vertical steel bracing. But as ICFs have gotten better and improved, the options for bracing them haven't changed. So with horizontal bracing, you can easily buck off around any opening or end of wall. You can easily hang your floor system at any height. And you can easily reinforce any weak part of your ICF wall without worrying about a vertical brace being in the way. So Zont bracing is cost effective. Traditional steel ICF braces are perfect for builds where you have multiple floors and where you're not going to need a lot of dimensional lumber. But for the rest of the builds out there, the Zont bracing is awesome because it uses dimensional 2x4s, which can be reused in building of the home later on. So basically, the Zont is 1/3 the cost as there's simply less product to purchase. With traditional ICF braces, the entire system is being shipped to the job site with an expensive crane, separate from the ICF delivery. After the job is done, an expensive crane is then needed to bring it all back. So Zont bracing is 1/6 the weight and 1/4 the space of traditional steel braces. These can be delivered to site with your ICF blocks and can be delivered into the hole by hand. They can also be returned in the back of a pickup truck. All of this leads to reduced cost and energy when bracing an ICF wall. Finally, the huge benefit with the Zont system is its flexibility. As we're bracing the walls horizontally, it means we can achieve any vertical height. So this means with one system we can be bracing 4-foot short walls or 20-foot tall walls with the same system. You cannot achieve the same result using a predetermined vertical brace. So this is our solution for bracing ICF walls. It's cheaper, it's easier to ship, it's more flexible, and it works.